Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the garden. Guys, today is the third day when I was cutting this branch. Those are some fresh cutting I make, and they are so happy. All of those are hydrangeas. Hydrangeas. What I'm going to do. All of them, guys, are some beautiful hydrangeas. I need to come fix them properly, but this is all I make. When I'm stressed, that's what I did. Make more flowers. It's a beautiful, or either I make more flowers or I went and buy more flowers. That's what I do. That's what I do. And that's how I end up having all those beautiful flowers. That's how. And some of them not doing or looking good, but I'm okay. I did that when it was really hot. I don't know if they took or not, but some of them have green leaves, some of them don't. But it is what it is. I can try again when it's a little bit colder. But I always want to have more plants. That's what's going on this side of my garden. Oh, I can't wait for me to fix them. And I want to make more of those flowers. I want to make a lot more. A lot more. I think I need to go buy to get those small pots and for me to make more of those cutting, because there's no reason for me to use the 1 gallon to make some cutting. I can use the small one, and I use less soil to make them. So far they really look promising, really. This one I don't like the way she's looking, but I can just remove those branch. Sometimes the branch, or see, get there and pinch out those big branch. That means she can only concentrate on making some roots. Even this, you see, she's right there, but when they don't have no branch, you see, they almost don't look nothing, but they stand up more. I need to learn how to remove more leaves and for them to work on the roots. They really look good. Thank you, friends, for watching.